Hello. Today I'm going to teach you some healing based on the Kathara healing systems. This was channeled from the Guardian Races. So this is called the Kathara Healing Step 1, Awakening the Mentor and the 6 and 7 Senses. And I will be adding pictures to the video so that you can have some type of description to understand it better. So firstly, we need to awaken our inner mentor. This is a bridging dimensional bands 3, 4, and 5, therefore accessing our astral and archetype 4 and 5 dimensional conscious minds. This being our Apha Hopa body, consciousness bands 4 and 5 of the harmonic universe, 2 through which we can begin to receive knowledge and guidance from our higher awareness. Creating the bridge of our inner mentor will begin the process of activating dormant DNA, opening new nerve networks within the central nervous system of the three-dimensional body, and activating dormant Apatari frequency receivers within the level 2 crystal seals Kathara grid. Note: Apatari, the morphogenic energy receivers of an organism's construction that serve to draw certain frequency bands into the morphogenic field for translation and to block out other frequency bands, making them unavailable for translation. Note: 6 and 7 senses. 6th Uttery Merkaba sense encompasses all Hopa bodies' primary attribute: manifestation, circulation of consciousness and frequency. 7th Triset cellular telepathy. Apha Hopa body dimensions 4, 5, and 6 primary attribute: inner audio-visual direct cognition, reading energy. So technique 1, awakening the mentor and the 6th and 7th senses. Awakening the mentor. Step 1, place fingertips at the navel. See a blue flame in the body behind the navel while massaging the navel with the fingertips. Refer to the image above. Step 2, see white spear in the blue flame at navel. Imagine yourself in the white spear and feel the spear around your body. Move white spear up your pineal gland and see the white spear move out over your right shoulder, creating your mentor. That was step 3. Step 4, feel the mentor as a fuzzy ball of energy within your auric field over your right shoulder. Practice shifting the focus of your attention back and forth between your usual focus and the mentor focus. Awakening 6th and 7th senses. Step 1, expand mentor over your right shoulder in the size of a basketball. Inhale, drawing mentor around your head as if your head is inside the basketball size energy that is the mentor. Refer to the image above. 2, inhale, contracting mentor into the pineal gland as a small spear of white light. Exhale to push mentor out of the pineal gland through 6th chakra into the blue-violet tunnel of the 6th chakra spiral. So just to help you break this down, it shows in the image. Basically, you're just going to inhale the white light as a small spear. You're going to inhale that into your third eye. That's what they're saying. So your third eye or your pineal gland, you're going to inhale that, then you're going to push the energy through exhalation or inhalation, depending on the the steps given, and you're going to push that down in through your throat chakra. And when it talks about the violet tunnel, you're just going to picture the violet tunnel, outward, away from you, and you're going to picture that ball of light going into that tunnel through exhalation, and then you're going to inhale that back into the pineal gland, and so on. So it's pretty easy steps. It can be confusing, but basically you're just pushing it in, pushing it out. Now, if you didn't, the reason you're inhaling and exhaling because you're pushing, good energy out, negative energy, or negative energy out, pulling good energy back in. And anytime you push a spear, of like white light into something else, you're taking away from that. So like if the spear or the white ball goes into the violet tunnel, that energy is combining. So then you're bringing it back into you. So you're kind of sending something out that belongs to you and bringing it, and giving a piece of yourself to something else. Then you're bringing it back to you. So you're becoming one with something else. You're adding to what you already are, if that makes sense. So step 3, inhale the mentor back from the violet tunnel, as I was saying, of the 6th chakra and into the pineal gland. 4, exhale mentor from pineal gland to 5th chakra. Exhale mentor out of the 5th chakra, blue-green tunnel. Inhale mentor back through the blue-green tunnel into the 5th chakra at throat. Inhale mentor from the 5th chakra to the pineal gland. Exhale mentor out of the pineal gland to the home station over your right shoulder. So it can get a bit confusing. The tunnels that they're speaking of, basically those are the colors, frequency, light, color, sound tunnels that are associated with that chakra. So violet being pineal gland, third eye, top of the head. Violet is basically the energy of the crown chakra, or the energy around your head. So it deals with your mind and your head, things like that. And then you have the blue-green energy, which is blue and green represents, it has to do with like the throat chakra. So anytime you wear blue or green, or you heal with those colors, basically you're enhancing that chakra. So, all right. Okay. So here is further detailed explanation of these techniques. You may read. So activating the mentor, placing the fingertips of both hands and focus the attention at the navel. Take a few slow, full breaths, then visualize the image of a blue flame like that of a gas stove from deep inside the body behind the navel. Gently massage the navel region with envisioning the blue flame. And step 2, stop the massage and visualize a spear of white light within the blue flame behind the navel. Place your antenna, place your intention within the white spear and imagine that you could feel it encompassed around you as if you were sitting with the white light spear. Step 3, breathe gently and visualize the white light spear moving upward through the center of your body until it reaches the center of the brain at the pineal gland. Stop movement of the white light spear at the pineal gland. Then visualize the white light spear moving to the right in a straight horizontal line outside of the body until it is positioned into the auric field just above your right shoulder. The white light spear positioned over your right shoulder now represents a portion of your awareness that was raised to the 5th dimensional frequency via its passage through the blue flame at the 5th catharsis at the navel. You will name this part of your higher identity mentor.